Hello viewers, welcome back. I hope all of you are well. Today we will guide you to how you can solve the common problems of your car. In today's fast-paced world, cars have become an essential part of our lives, providing convenience, freedom, and mobility. Car ownership requires maintenance. No matter how well you maintain your car, common faults may arise. Flat tires or engine issues might be minor annoyances or serious safety issues. Understanding how to handle these difficulties is vital. This article will cover the most frequent car problems and their solutions to prepare you for any automotive issues. Battery failure. One of the most frequent issues with cars is a dead battery. It could happen if your battery dies or if you leave your lights on for too long. When you try to start your car, the first sign that the battery is dead is often a clicking sound. To fix this, you need to jump start your car with another car or a jump starter pack. Here's what to do. First of all, place the two automobiles side by side but away from one another. First, identify the two terminals. A negative terminal has a minus sign and black cable, while the positive terminal has plus sign and red cable. Before connecting the positive red jumper cable to the positive connector on the dead battery, make sure both cars' engines are off. The opposite end of the positive line needs to be attached to the positive terminal of the healthy battery. The negative terminal of the good battery should be connected to the negative jumper connection. The negative line's opposite end needs to be linked to a bolt or other metal fastener that is placed far from the dead car's battery. Start the engine of the good car and let it run for a bit. It's time to restart the dead automobile. If it still won't start, give it a few more minutes to charge before trying again. After charge battery, first remove negative jumper cable, then remove positive jumper. Viewers, if you need to replace your battery, then follow these steps. Open the hood of your car after turning off the engine. Now, remove the negative cable from the battery first, then the positive cable. Replace the outdated battery with a fresh one. After change battery, first connect positive cable to battery terminal, then connect negative cable. Check that everything is operating properly by closing the hood and starting your automobile. Next in our list is uneven tire issue. Another frequent auto issue that can occur at any time is a flat tire and may result from a tire leak or puncture. The first indication of a flat tire while driving is typically a thumping noise, or your automobile may pull to one side. You must replace your tire in order to solve this problem. The steps are as follows. Locate a level, safe area to change your tire. To remove the lug nuts, use the lug wrench to first loosen them. In accordance with the directions in your owner's manual, use a jack to raise your car off the ground. Remove the flat tire and the lug nuts. Hand tighten the wheel nuts after installing the spare tire onto the wheel hub. When you have your car on the ground, tighten the lug nuts in a crisscross pattern using the lug wrench. Drive to the closest service facility to get the flat tire fixed or changed after checking the spare tire's tire pressure. Engine overheating. An overheated engine can be caused by many things, like not enough water, a broken thermostat, or a broken radiator. Most of the time, the first sign of an overheated engine is a warning light or a temperature scale that shows a temperature that is too high. To fix this, you need to turn off your engine and let it cool down before checking the water level. If the amount is low, you can add more coolant to the tank. If the water level is fine, the thermostat or radiator might be broken, so you should take your car to a mechanic to be checked out. Check the engine light. When there's a problem with your car's engine or pollution system, the check engine light flashes on your dashboard. It can be caused by a wide range of things, from the small to the big. Here are some general things you can do if you don't have specific instructions. Verify the gas cap. A loose or cracked gas cap might cause the check engine light to come on. After a few days of driving, tighten or replace the gas cap to check if the light goes out. Examine the battery. The check engine light may also come on if the battery is weak or dead. Ensure that your battery is in good shape and fully charged. Verify the sensors. A malfunctioning sensor, such as the mass airflow sensor or the oxygen sensor, can turn on the check engine light. a mechanic can identify the issue and, if necessary, replace the sensor. Brakes squeaking. In addition to being irritating, squeaky brakes could indicate a problem with your brake system. Brake pad wear is the most frequent cause of squeaky brakes. The metal backing to the pads may brush against the rotor as they deteriorate and make a squeaking sound. You must change your brake pads in order to resolve this problem. This is how you do it. Find the brake caliper and brake pads by removing the wheel. Slide the brake caliper off the rotor after removing the brake caliper nuts. Now we remove the brake pad. Install the new brake pads after removing the old ones from the caliper. When brake pad fix perfect, reinstall the caliper on the rotor and tighten the bolts safely. On the other side, repeat the procedure, and before you start driving, test your brakes. Transmission issues. Problems with the transmission can be small or big, and they can be expensive to fix. The most common sign of a problem with the gearbox is having trouble changing gears or having them slip. To fix this problem, you need to check the amount and state of the gearbox fluid. If the fluid is low on pressure or dirty, you must add more. Here's what to do. Turn off the engine and park your automobile on a level surface. Find the gearbox dipstick, then take it out. Reinstall the dipstick after wiping it with a clean towel. Check the fluid level and condition once again by removing the dipstick. The liquid shouldn't smell scorched and should be pink or crimson in color. In accordance with your car's manual, if the fluid level is low, add more gearbox fluid. You must drain and replace the fluid if it is scorched, unclean, or otherwise contaminated. This is a more difficult operation, thus a mechanic could be needed. So guys, that's it for today's video. For more details, read your manual. If you like our video, then hit the like button and subscribe us for more. Safe driving, good luck!